These gulab jamun, huh? Oh, I have never seen so many gulab jamun in one place.
4 piece.
4 piece?
200.
20 piece. So how much is one piece? I can just do one?
4 piece.
Okay, we do 4 pieces.
4 piece. 200.
200.
200.
Doso?
200. What चाहिए?
This.
One पे ये इसमें मत जाओ.
How much is it, brother?
200. 200
Doso.
200.
But it says
100
there.
रुपए. ये तो ये दूसरा है.
20.
ये खत्म हो गया. ये खत्म हो गया.
Alright, I'll pay 200. We'll see. I'll try. Oh, so sweet. It just melts in your mouth like butter. That is so good. How much does 4 gulab jamun cost?
20.
So bis.
200.
Bis.
200.
200.
No, 200.
Are you guys gonna pay 200?
200. 200.
Oh, you scammer.
200.
Alright. Most expensive gulab jamun ever.